If you or your company prefers to work in the Microsoft ecosystem, pretty good chance that you've been using Microsoft Teams pretty extensively. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Lightboard working with Teams. First, make sure that your Lightboard is connected to your computer with an HDMI cable and a USB cable. Then, go ahead and open up Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account. In the top right corner next to your profile picture, you're going to see 3 dots. Let's go ahead and click on those and click on the Settings gear icon. Here we're going to go to Devices to change our camera device and our audio device for capturing our sound and picture. Click on Devices. Here you can change your speakers, what you're going to be hearing other people from, your input microphone that people are going to hear you by, and your camera. I've tested to make sure that my speakers and microphone are correct, but let's look most closely down here at camera. For many of you, the correct option is going to be Blackmagic Design. But for some of you, let's say you're using a webcam or maybe a piece of software to help out with your live streaming, you might have to change this option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this drop-down menu, and a few other options pop up for me. Again, this might look a little different for you, but choose the option that's correct. If you have webcam, it might be something like this Logic Capture, or if you're a more advanced user, you may be using software like OBS, Open Broadcaster software. That's actually what I'm using here, so I'm going to click on OBS. And one thing that's kind of a shame, you don't see a live feed of the video here like some other programs like Zoom and Teams, or Zoom and, Google Meet, as well as some others. I'm going to go ahead and click off, and to make sure that we have this correct, I'm actually going to set up a call just to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and start a meeting. It's kind of cut off here, and I'll go ahead and start. Now that this is live, it starts by default not showing your audio and video just for the sake of your privacy, but I'm going to turn these on to make sure everything looks good. You do get an extra chance here under Custom Setup. You can change the speakers and the microphone of your choice, but I'm going to go ahead and join now since I have those correct. Takes a moment to boot up, and now I am stuck in this terrible infinity screen because I'm sharing my own screen with you at the same time, but I assure you, you will not have this problem. One thing that you will notice, however, it will look as, so my main screen actually is this one here where you can see my writing is backwards. Microsoft Teams flips the video for you as a viewer, so everything will look flipped to you. However, your audience is going to see the opposite. So if it looks backwards to you, that is actually correct. Again, kind of a bummer, but just know that if it looks wrong to you, it actually looks right to everyone else. And because this is making me a little dizzy, I'm going to go ahead and leave this meeting. But if you have any questions at all about how to use Teams with your Lightboard, please reach out. We're very happy to help you out. We know how important video conferencing is for many of our customers. So reach out at info@revolutionlightboards.com. Thanks.